Vanakkam friends, for all the newcomers, please subscribe our channel so that you can get the weekly forecast for Nifty and Bank Nifty for the upcoming week. Okay, yesterday we have posted the Nifty levels which we can expect. So now we will look into the Bank Nifty levels which we can expect during the upcoming week. For this, I have taken the Bank Nifty daily chart and I have drawn the 200 simple moving average. Previous week it was a good test of 200 SMA and then moving on the higher side. Okay, but it got resisted at the gap area which it was created during 26th, I believe. 1 minute. This particular candle, yeah, 26th. On 26th we made a high of 36,868 and on 3rd of December we have once again went very close to that level, but we haven't even touched that level and came down. Now let's drill down further into 1 hour chart and then we will see what we can expect. Yeah, this is the 1 hour chart. Now you will be able to clearly see this. It has perfectly tested the highs of 1 week before and then dropped down. Now the critical support for next week comes around this line. This line is the price 35,529. This is the very critical support below which there will be more selling pressure, and further down 200 points is expected immediately. If that is also broken, then panicness will circle around the markets. So let us think it positive. If this level is respected, this level 35,529 is respected on the downside, we can expect one more move towards the test of 36,850 odd levels. But the condition is it must respect the lower level. 35,529 should be respected. If that is respected and it is not getting violated, we can see a retest of 36,850 maybe till Friday. I am not saying till expiry, maybe till next Friday. Okay. So based on this, if we are supposed to trade, we can take a call option when Bank Nifty drops towards 35,700 or 35,600 levels. Don't rush and take it immediately or on Monday or Tuesday morning. From present level, it is hardly 700 points. Don't think it is 700 points and whether it will come sooner or later. Okay, 700 points is just 2% in Bank Nifty's current price. So it may come anytime or even in a flicker or even with a gap down opening. If that scenario arises, take a call option for next week, because the move which I am expecting till 36,800 is till Friday. Probably it may not raise till that level before Thursday. So don't go with deep out of the money call. Try to play in the money or even at the money calls when there is a dip, so that you can get quick returns and then wind off your position as quickly as possible. If and only we take this level of 36,851, we can expect a further move towards 37,130. it will be a very challenging task to take the 36,851 level, but if it has taken 350 points immediately, we can expect a move on the higher side. Okay, so let me be specific on what call to be taken. 36,000 bank nifty call of 9th December expiry. Just add to your watch list. Don't be in a hurry to take it somewhere between 500 or 400 like that. Wait. Definitely, if there is a dip, this particular call will come below 280 250 zones. Take position only at that level, because if you take at that level, definitely you will get a quick 80 to 100 points move, even if nifty moves, I mean bank nifty moves 200 points in spot. Just a 200 points move in spot will make this 250 call, I mean 250 rupees move into 350 rupees in quick time. The moment you see 80 points or 100 points profit, just book it and get out of that position. Don't wait till weekend, I mean expiry day. It may spoil the momentum because of the broader market uncertainty. I hope this is very clear. So trade accordingly, mark your levels either in your charts or at least make a note in your notepad and wait for levels to enter. Thank you all. Bye. See you in our next week video.